Hello everyone, I am Rama. In this video I am going to show you how to multiply two matrices and how to add two matrices, how to subtract one matrix from the other. Let us go into that. So firstly we have to switch on our calculator. I am showing all these operations in the calculator, Casio FX 991ES. In this calculator we can save up to 3 matrices only. Now in this we are going to save two matrices, for which first go to mode, then we can see different options. Among them we need to choose matrix option, which is option 6. So we need to press 6 number and then we can see 3 options. So let us choose one. So whatever the matrix we want to enter, that will be saved in the calculator with the name mat A. Let us choose 1. Now we could see different orders, which is a matrix of order m by n. A matrix of maximum order we can enter with 3 by 3 only. Let us choose option 1. That means we are taking A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Let us choose 1. Now we can see a matrix notation on the display. Let us enter some elements. Let us take -3 first element. So press equal to, then we will enter second element, press 2 and equal to, and then take 0 and equal to. First row is completed. Now the second row elements are 5 equal to 6 equal to 3 equal to. Second row is completed. Now the third row, 4 equal to -1 equal to 2 equal to. Now the third row elements are been entered completely. So we have saved one matrix in our calculator. Now use this on button. We need to save one more matrix. Let us go to shift 4. Now to save your data we need to choose option 2, which is data. Press 2. Then we could see mat A, mat B, mat C. We should not choose mat A because we have already saved one matrix with the name mat A. So if again we choose this option, the elements of matrix A will be changed. So we should not take option 1. Now we have two choices, either 2 or 3. Let us take mat B, option 2. Now we can see orders of the matrix. Let us choose matrix is of order 3 by 3. Choose option 1. Now we need to enter the elements. Let us take first row as 3, 2, -1. Second row as 5, -1, 0, 5, 2, 3. We have entered all the 3 rows of the matrix B. Now we want to find product of the two matrices. I want to get AB. Then what to type? So before that, let us choose this on button and then go to shift matrix, shift 4. Now we have 3 options, mat A, mat B, mat C. We have entered only 2 matrices, mat A and mat B. I want to get the product AB. So first I need to choose option 3. Now shift 4, option 3. As I want to get the product, choose this multiplication symbol and then choose mat B, for which again we need to go for shift 4 and then choose mat B, which is option 4. Now we could see mat A into mat B on the display. As I want to get the result, I need to press this equal to button. Then I could see the resultant matrix, which is AB. Suppose that I want to get BA, B into A. Then I have to go with the shift 4 and choose mat B first. That means option 4 first. I could see mat B on the display. As I want to get the product, choose multiplication symbol and choose go to shift 4, choose mat A. Then I could see mat B into mat A on the display. To get the resultant matrix, press this equal to button. This is our product BA. Now if we want to get sum of the two matrices, then go to shift 4, mat A is option 3, and plus to choose another matrix, again go to shift 4 and choose mat B option 4. Now I can see mat A plus mat B on the display. To get the resultant matrix, press equal to button. Now we can note down this matrix as A plus B. Similarly, if I want to get A minus B or B minus C something else, I am showing how to find A minus B, for which go to shift 4, choose mat A minus, again go to shift 4, now choose mat B which is option 4. Now I can see mat A minus mat B on the display. To get the resultant matrix, press equal to button. Now this is the resultant matrix for A minus B. In a similar way, we can do any operations in this calculator. Remember, we can do any operations for maximum number of 3 matrices only. Suppose if we want to get A into A transpose, let us see how to get it. Firstly, choose shift 4 and choose mat A. I could see mat A on the display. As I want to get the product, choose into symbol. As I want to get a transpose now, go to shift 4. There I have option 8. TRN is nothing but transpose. Choose 8, which is transpose of A I want. So that I have to choose mat A now. So go to shift 4 and mat A, close brackets. Now it is nothing but mat A into transpose of mat A. We want to get the resultant matrix. Press equal to button. Then we could see the resultant matrix on the display. The first element is 14, and then 13, and then 16, and so on. This is A into A transpose. Similarly, to get A transpose A, we can follow the same. First choose transpose of a matrix A and then matrix A. Then we get resultant matrix A transpose A. I hope you understood this. Thank you.